How far can Bitcoin retrace? Well guys, that will be the topic of today's video. We are going to have a look at the data from World Portal. We are going to have a look at Bitcoin itself. And we are going to have a look at this specific chart, which is of course the stablecoin dominance. So guys, let's jump straight into it. And let's start off with the World Portal data. And what we could see right here is, like I've said in my previous videos as well, we do have some signs that's showing us that we might be seeing a pullback. Why is that? Because we have some selling pressure, high intensity red coming in. We have some bearish divergences on the momentum indicators, and we are coming from overbought conditions rolling back over. But so far, actually, we do get a pullback. We can see that the momentum indicator is coming down. I think most importantly right now is basically to set that new 60-day cycle low. And if we were to have a look at Bitcoin right here, of course, the elections are coming up. The results will be roughly around the 6th of November. And before that, there's also a little bit of uncertainty, right? So I think going up till the election might still bring some uncertainty, might bring some volatility to Bitcoin, but not only to Bitcoin, also to other markets. But once the election is finished and we have a new president, most likely things will stabilize, people will get more confidence again, and we have another chance of breaking this resistance, which will be very beautiful if we can do that, of course. And like I said in yesterday's video, if we were to do something like this where we just lose these key support levels, then yeah, that is a big warning signal, because then that will make this a failed attempt of breakout. However, so far we are not seeing that yet. It actually makes pretty sense to get rejected from such a key level, from the previous high right here, from this range that we have been in since March 2024, so March this year. And yeah, right now getting a pullback would be great if we can hold above 67,500. That we actually would be best to hold above this level around 69,500 where we are right now. Then let's have a look at the stablecoin dominance, and let's have a look at the pattern that we are seeing right here. And this chart will tell us a lot what's going to happen with Bitcoin as well, because it has been doing that in the past as well. So when we have a look at the pattern right here, we could be forming a falling wedge formation, but we are a little bit in a strange structure right here, because we had this rising channel. We broke the channel to the downside. That's also when I said the moment we break this channel to the downside, we are going to see a nice increase in the Bitcoin price. That's actually the exact moment, of course, when we are breaking to the upside right here from this formation in Bitcoin. But right now, yeah, like we could get a rejection from this resistance, of course, and maybe continue to go to see lower levels in the stablecoin dominance. This would be the more bullish case for Bitcoin. However, if we were to break out from this falling wedge formation to the upside, we could still retest this level, which is the former support of this rising channel, which right now should act as resistance if we want to continue this downtrend in the stablecoin dominance, which is a uptrend in Bitcoin. So I would prefer the first scenario, of course, this one, rather than this one, because this would definitely mean that we are going to see a further dip in the Bitcoin price in the next coming days ahead. So guys, that is just something to watch. I hope Bitcoin can hold above this support levels right here, that we are not breaking this to the downside. That would actually be really ugly and would definitely potentially delay the bull market. But it would just not be a very good sign when we have this nice structure. We left the structure to the upside, and then suddenly that results in a fake out. That just wouldn't be the best thing. If we were to look at the regular financial markets, then this one is actually looking a little bit ugly. We had a gap down right here, gap down sell-off. So we had a significant sell-off in the regular financial markets. As you can see, like something like this is not something you see that regularly. Here we had in July 2024, we also had a gap down. But yeah, this is definitely a little shock for the regular financial markets, but that can also be due to the uncertainty with the presidential elections going on right now. So this might stabilize after the 5th or 6th of November, when things are becoming more clear. So I think that is right now the thing to do. Wait until the elections are over. Let's see what the price does. If we lose key support levels, yeah, definitely we have to flip our bias a little bit. We have to become more bearish until we reclaim certain support levels. But yeah, guys, this is my take on Bitcoin and the rest of the markets. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. That is very much appreciated. I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye bye.